Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff. Today, going to be trying my hand at a beef tri-tip. Picked this up from the Cab Farmers Market. It's about 2.5 pounds, choice cut, and going to be seasoning it with complete seasoning, which is a good salt, pepper, garlic blend. Little Cajun style rub from Kingsford, my usual original Weber rub that I use, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna get this thing seasoned up on both sides and see you at the grill. Okay, guys, so got the tri-tip on the grill. I'm cooking at 250 degrees, and I have some pecan chunks in the chute and a couple in the ashtray as well. I'm gonna run this up to an internal of 120 degrees, and we're gonna pull it, let it rest, and then we're gonna sear it. All right, so we're sitting at 122 now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that and let it rest, and go ahead and crank this thing up to sear. Getting some good searing action going here at 650. All right, we're about to take it off now and get it wrapped and let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. It tasted great, and as you can see, it was very moist. And I was very pleased overall with the turnout. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to have some more videos coming up soon.